Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you all know, in the previous video we have completed our exercise 4.2 up to question number 4th. Today we will discuss our question number 5th. Okay. So the A part of question number 5th is this. Here we have used a symbol beta. This is the symbol of cube root. Okay. This is the symbol of cube root. It means beta we have to find the cube root of the given number under this sign. Here we have given 8 under this sign. So this means we have to find the cube root of 8. In this question we do not have to use any particular method to find the cube root. If you want to use prime factorization method, you can use prime factorization method, and if you want to use estimation method, you can use your estimation method. Okay, both methods you can use to solve this question, whatever you like as per according. Okay, here we use prime factorization. So the prime factorization of 8 is 2 4 ja 8, 2 2 ja 4 and 2 1 ja 1. So 8 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now we have to find the cube root. So the cube root of 8 is equal to, here we have only 2 as the prime factor of 8 and 2 is in the group of 3. So the cube root of 8 is single 2. This is the answer of your A part of question 5th beta. Now B part beta. B part is cube root of 2.5 raised to the power 3. Here we have to calculate the cube root of 2.5 raised to the power 3. Okay. Now to find the cube root of this number, let us discuss one property of cube root of a number. If you have to calculate the cube root of any number like this, you can write this as also a raised to the power 1 by 3rd, or you can say that a raised to the power 1 by 3, or you can read this as 1/3 power of a, 1/3 power of a. Okay, so this is also the representation of cube root of a number. So by using this property we have to solve our B part beta. So you can write this as 2.5 raised to the power 3 cube root is equal to 2.5 raised to the power 3 and whole raised to the power 1 by 3. Okay, and you know that if a raised to the power m and whole raised to the power n we have, this is equal to a raised to the power m multiplied by n. By using this property in this question, we can write that cube root of 2.5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2.5 raised to the power 3 multiplied by 1 by 3. 3 is the common factor between numerator and denominator, so it must be cancelled out, and this is equal to 2.5. Okay, so the cube root of 2.5 raised to the power 3 is equal to 2.5. So this is the solution of your B part beta. I hope you will get it. Now let us take one more example of 5th question, that is F part. Cube root of 5832 minus cube root of 3375. Here we have to calculate the cube root of 5832 and 3375. Okay, so let us calculate one by one. 5832. Calculate the prime factorization of this. This will become 2916. Again divided by 2, 1458. When you again divide this number by 2, it will become 729. is divisible by 3, so this will become 2, 4, 3. Again by 3, 8, 1. Again divisible by 3, this will become 27, 3, 9, 3, and 3, 3, 2, 1. So basically this is the prime factorization of 5832. Okay, so we can write this as 5832 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 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 multiplied by 3. Okay, so look at here. Now we have to make the group of 3 of each prime factor of the given number. So here this is the group of 3 of 2 prime number, and this is the group of 3, and this is another group of 3. So the cube root of 5832 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3, and this is equal to 18. So the cube root of 5832 is equal to 18. Clear? Now we have to find the cube root of 3375. To find the cube root of 3375, again we have to find the prime factorization of this. This is divisible by 3, so 3, 1, 1, 2, 5. Again by 3, this will become 3, 7, and 5. Again by 3, it will become 1, 2, 5, and 125 is divisible by 5, it will become 25, 5 2 it will become 5, and again by 5 it will become 1. So the prime factorization of 3375 is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So each prime factor is in the group of 3. So the cube root of 3375 is equal to 3 multiplied by 5, and this is equal to 15. So this is the cube root of 3375. Now what we have to do? Now we have to subtract 15 from 18 as per according to the question. Okay. So cube root of this is equal to 18, and the cube root of 3375 is equal to 15. So the final result is 18 minus 15, and that is 3. This is the answer of F part of question 5th. The remaining part of this question are same as like these parts. Try to solve them. If you have any problem in solving these questions, we will take that problem in the live class beta. I hope you will get it. Thank you. Have a nice day.